Hello, my name is Seçkinur. My surname is İbaşlar. I am 16 years old. I am Turkish. I am from Manisa. I am single.
You are single, okay.
I have got short, straight hair, and green eyes. I am slim and tall. I am. I like reading books.
Reading books. Evet. Yes.
I am good at playing volleyball. I am bad at cooking.
Cooking.
Thanks for listening.
Listening. Thank you.